students, let us start our new topic, that is chapter number 10, motion and measurement of distances. Beta, motion and measurement of distances. Our first portion is motion. What is motion? What do you understand by the term motion? Motion means any organism or anything that shows some movement. For example, I will start right from here and move up to this point. From original point to this point, it is the motion. My hand will move from one point to another. So, what is the meaning of motion? Motion means to cover the distance from one place to another. It is just like movement. Movement is the verb and motion is the noun. Beta, motion means distance. Anything, either living or non-living, that cover distance from one place to another is known as motion. Movement only for living organism. Clear? Don't puzzle the term motion and movement. Movement means living organism move from one place to another, but not non-living. Motion for both, either living or non-living. Suppose one chair placed at here. You put this chair and place it another place. What is the motion? What is the distance from this point to that point? It is motion. Either for living organism or for non-living things. Clear? Suppose anything present at original point O, and after movement, after motion, it will move up to point P. What is the distance between O and P? Beta, this is the distance. This is the distance. Suppose 1 meter, 2 meter, 10 meter, 20 meter, anything. That is the distance, and this distance is known as motion. Motion means to cover the distance from one place to another. Beta, we have lot of ways for the motion. These ways of motion are known as transport. These ways of motion are known as transport. This transport may be on our foot when we are moving on our leg. For smaller distance we are moving without any vehicle, that is on foot. Either by bullock cart or by bus or by train, by our cars, our own vehicles, by rickshaw, by their scooter, car, Activa, all are the ways of transport. Because if you want to purchase something, you booked your Activa from your home, go to market. From your home to market, the distance is known as motion. Then market to our home, again distance, that is motion. Clear? And way of transport, that is the Activa. Like this. Clear? Now, from your book, beta, motion is the distance covered by an object. There are general discussion about the motion, that is, someone had gone to their native village by train or by bus and then finally on the bullock cart, because in the village bullock carts are also present today in some villages, not all. One student had traveled by aeroplane, another one is going in sea area during their holidays and move on the boat. Boat will show motion. The teacher then asked them to read the newspaper article and mention about the small wheels vehicle and move on the soil of the Mars, conduct experiment, and these vehicles were taken by spacecraft on all ways of Mars. That meanwhile Small story about the annexation India, as well as wanted to know how people travel from one place to another. How people travel from one place to another, or you can say how people cover the distance from one place to another. That is the motion. Clear? Now, these are the ways of motion. Now another topic. Story of the transport. How ways of transport will be discovered. Beta, very long ago, there is no way of transport. Either you are moving from smaller distance or for longer distance. All the peoples were move on their foot. Only one way of transport, that is the foot. By passage of time, human beings use the animals for their transport. Better just like horse, ass or camel. They put the luggage on their back and start to move. That means animals are used on land. If this transport is across the water, animal is not able to move in the water very freely. Then what happen? Better they will use boat. Initially, hollow trunk of tree. This is the trunk of tree. At the base it is hard, but it will be hollow inside. It is the way to transport the material from one place to another through water. With the passage of time, human being learn that he collect some wooden blocks, wooden pieces from forest area, from trees, and join together as the body of animal. Beta, human being take the idea that these animals move inside the water, so shape of wooden will be arranged according to the shape of body of aquatic animal. That what is the shape? Beta, that shape is streamline. Streamline shape. Taper at both ends, wider from the middle, just like this. And this is the boat. This is the boat. And prepare a boat and start to use this type of boat for moving from one place to another, or from bank to another bank of the river or water body. That means wooden boat is used in the water. With passage of time, wheel is discovered. First of all, wooden wheel is discovered. That means small wooden blocks are arranged in this way. Like this, and start to move. Wooden wheel is discovered. After that, when wooden wheel is discovered, animal automatically be used. Then animal and wooden wheel collective together to give animal cart. You will see bullock cart in many pictures, or maybe a small model, wooden model, or maybe stone model of the animal cart. Then with the discovery of wheel, use animal cart and modify for longer years. And now you will see many type of tires. These tires are wheels. Smaller one, larger one, thinner one, thicker one, used in trucks, used in motorcycle, used in bikes, cars or bicycle. Different type of wheel you will see. Beta, long time is required for the modification of wheel. And then wheel of iron will be formed. Iron wheel will be used in railway. Railroad means railway. Railway have iron wheel. You will see. And steam engine is used to move the rail from one place to another. Then in 19th century, beta, in many long years, many type of modifications will be formed, and we have many modes of transport like bus, train, car, vehicle, motorcycle, auto, rickshaw. And in 19th century, 1900, aeroplanes will be discovered, and we will start to move in air from one place to another through aeroplanes. And in 20th century, you know very well, many type of electric transport like electric train, supersonic aircraft, spacecraft, and many type of electric or electromagnetic vehicles are be formed. And the vehicle of these type that we are moving from our earth surface to Mars or many other planets or in the space. Clear? This is all about the mini story about the transport. From foot we are moving up to supersonic aircraft. Clear? Then beta, long ago people do not have any means of transport. They have only mean of transport is foot, only foot, and carry their goods on their back and start to move. Better they carry their goods on the back like here and start to move on their foot. And it is very, very hard work. Very, very tired by moving from one place to another in smaller area because large luggage on the back and start to move because there is no mean of transport. With the passage of time, later on, they begin to use the animal for the transport. Better they begin to use the animal for transport on the land. And for transport on the water, root boat have been used. Better root boat is just like an plant trunk which is hollow at the hollow part. Easy to be moved from one place to another in the water. This is known as root boat. Now, boat are simple log of wood in which hollow cavity could be made. Later on, people learn that different pieces of wood are collected together and give the shape of boat. This shape is intimated. Better, this shape is formed on the idea of animal body, that is the streamline body that move in the water, aquatic animal. And invention of wheel. First of all, wooden wheel. Wooden wheel. With the invention of wheel, better large mode of transport will be formed. First of all, wooden wheel to animal cart. Then many modifications will done, and all these things that will be right on the board except foot consist of wheel. Large number of transports are there, maybe bicycle, maybe animal cart, maybe bus, maybe train, maybe rickshaw, auto, activa, scooter, anything. And then animal will be used to put the cart that move on the wheel. Then until the beginning of 19th century, people will still dependent on the animal, boats and ship for the transport. And then steam engine, better steam engine will be discovered. Steam engine will be used by roadways, railroads for railway. rail. Clear? The railroad are made up of steam engine driven carts and wagons. Later on come across the transport, that is automobiles, car, trucks, buses, all are in 19th century, and ships, motors, etc. Beta, in early of the 1900 we will saw the development of aeroplanes. Through aeroplanes we will move from one place to another by the way of air. So it is aeroplanes. And there are some later improvement to carry out the passengers and goods. First of all, for wagons, weapons, etc. Then for human beings and also the goods. Now electric train, monorails, supersonic aeroplanes, spacecraft, these are made as the contribution in 20th century. Contribution in 20th century. Beta, these all will show many modes of transport in our surrounding. That is how these transports are discovered, and these transports help in the motion of all things from one place to another. Thank you.